Accept. He accepts the challenge. He accepts the challenge. Achieve. She achieves her goals. She achieves her goals. Adapt. They adapt quickly. They adapt quickly. Address. I address the issue. I address the issue. Analyze. We analyze the data. We analyze the data. Apply. You apply the rule. You apply the rule. Appreciate. She appreciates your help. She appreciates your help. Arrange. He arranges a meeting. He arranges a meeting. Assess. They assess the situation. They assess the situation. Assist. I assist with tasks. I assist with tasks. Balance. She balances work-life. She balances work-life. Calculate. We calculate expenses. We calculate expenses. Capture. He captures the moment. He captures the moment. Celebrate. They celebrate birthdays. They celebrate birthdays. Challenge. I challenge myself daily. I challenge myself daily. Change. You change your habits. You change your habits. Communicate. Now we can communicate instantly. Now we can communicate instantly. Compare. She compares options. She compares options. Complete. He completes the project. He completes the project. Compose. I compose music. I compose music. Connect. I can connect printer to your computer. I can connect printer to your computer. Contribute. He has contributed $500 to the fund. He has contributed $500 to the fund. Cooperate. He refused to cooperate with the investigation. He refused to cooperate with the investigation. Coordinate. She coordinates the event. She coordinates the event. Create. I create art. I create art. Critic. He critiques the film. He critiques the film. Decide. They decide quickly. They decide quickly. Delegate. You have to delegate to your staff. You have to delegate to your staff. Deliver. Mail is delivered to our office. Mail is delivered to our office. Demonstrate. They demonstrate the project. They demonstrate the project. Design. He is studying design in Paris. He is studying design in Paris. Develop. They develop software. They develop software. Direct. Is there a direct train to Paris? Is there a direct train to Paris? They direct the play. They direct the play. Discover. Who discovered America? Who discovered America? Discuss. We discuss the plan. We discuss the plan. Educate. School teachers educate children. School teachers educate children. Empower. I empower my agent to make the deal for me. I empower my agent to make the deal for me. Encourage. They encourage teamwork. They encourage teamwork. Enhance. Good lighting will enhance any room. Good lighting will enhance any room. Establish. We establish rules. We establish rules. Evaluate. How do we evaluate their performance? How do we evaluate their performance? Experiment. I experiment with recipes. I experiment with recipes. Explain. He explains the concept. He explains the concept. Express. I can express myself in English well. I can express myself in English well. Facilitate. Modern inventions facilitate housework. Modern inventions facilitate housework. Follow. We follow the instructions. We follow the instructions. Foster. Little Jack was placed with foster parents. Little Jack was placed with foster parents. Generate. I generate ideas. I generate ideas. Identify. He identifies the problem. He identifies the problem. Edit. She edits the document. She edits the document. Practice these and you will learn to speak English faster. I say one thing again and again. To speak English, you have to practice regularly. Only then you can speak English. It is not possible to speak English without practice. So, if you want to speak English, practice it from today. Like or comment if you like the video. Stay well and keep learning English with me.